Hi, George from Digital High Road. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about can I do affiliate marketing without a website? And I want to show you 6 different ways that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. But I want you to hang in. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to give you my personal feelings about it and whether if you're a newbie or a person who's new and you're still buying shiny objects, whether you should be involved in building and doing affiliate marketing without a website or if you should do it another way. So if you got any value from today's video, then please give me a large thumbs up, like the video. Don't forget to leave comments at the bottom. I appreciate them. YouTube appreciates them. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so that you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. Let's move on into today's subject matter. Can I do affiliate marketing without a website? So in today's video, I'm going to be covering can I do affiliate marketing without a website? So I'm going to cover 6 suggestions that I have for you that you can take a look at if you don't want to build a website. But I'm also at the end of this discussion going to give you my personal review, if you will, my personal views of whether this is a good idea or not and why you should do it or maybe why you shouldn't do it. So let's move on into, I'll show you the first 6, then hang on, there'll be a short section covering each one of the 6 areas. First one we're going to talk about today is create a viral ebook. Then after that, we're going to be talking about use Medium to post content. Medium is medium.com. The third thing is we're going to cover today is how to build a YouTube channel. Not exactly how to build, but the suggestion of using a YouTube channel for affiliate links. The next one we're going to cover is using Pinterest for affiliate links. The next one, number 5, will be use Google AdWords. Create advertisements on Google. We'll cover that. And the last one I want to cover today is using Twitter for affiliate marketing. And these are the 6 areas we're going to talk into. Let's move into each individual area now. We'll give a discussion of that, and then we'll, at the end of the video, hang into the end of the video, I'll give you my feelings about whether you should or shouldn't as a newbie, as a senior marketer. So let's get on to that now. So as you move on into this video, can I do affiliate marketing without a website? I would say a key thing would be to have a focus, know what your target is, have keywords that you are going after, have a product and few products and product affiliate links you want to go after, and then you can establish yourself by using any of these 6 methods. And what I would recommend would be a place you can go to find offers that you can use for all types of ads, and you can get easy affiliate links for these and several of the types of products, but you could use to drive traffic to them to make money. And the first place I would recommend would be like Offer Vault. And then from Offer Vault, you can pick, let's say, like an insurance program you want to promote, but you have a steered direction so that when you get into the areas that we're going to discuss, such as Pinterest and YouTube channels, just want to make sure you realize you have to have a solid direction, focus to use any method to make money as an affiliate marketer. And let's move into way number 1. Okay, way number 1 is going to be using free viral ebooks. Now what you can do is you can go into Amazon, and if you go into Amazon, you can look at any subject, like here are free Kindle books, investing. I've gone into there, and you scroll down through here, there's several different publications that are available in book form on Kindle that will cost you nothing. But what you can do is you can write this book, publish it on Kindle, and then you can put inside the book. I've heard people remark on a lot of these books, the first part of it is content. After that, The second part, while having good content, also has a lot of links in the book. So you can link out to other products by doing this. You can also I would suggest using Google Trends. Go into Google Trends, and each day you can see what's trending. This is February 8th, 2021. These are the subjects that are trending on Google today. And I'll give you ideas to spur into your thought process, things that maybe you can write an ebook about, and then publish it on Kindle, then put your links in the publication. That's the first way. The second way we're going to look at second is publishing to a place called Medium. Let's move into that next. Okay, our second way is we're going to use a site called medium.com, and it looks like this. You can go to there to read all kinds of things that are published here. You see, this is what's here today. I'm recording this on February 8th, 2021. But these are the articles that are being highlighted here today. You can click on any of them, and you can look at anything that's here first. It's been published by someone. Now, to be a member of Medium, to be a member of this, to do the publishing, you have to have a membership. It costs you $5 per month, or if they bill you annually and you pay annually, it'll be $50 in one shot up front for it. But it's $5 a month to read. They have all this content available to you. And I just want to show you that you can, I looked it up, you can use affiliate links. Medium does not ban content with affiliate links, so you can link directly to the product from offers on Medium. So that would be that's number 2 way that you can look at being an affiliate marketer without having a website. Let's move on into number 3. Okay, so number 3, I want to suggest that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Number 3 is build your own YouTube channel, like I'm doing right now. YouTube, you can promote links from your descriptions in YouTube. Let's say let's take this video right here. Now here's the video as you see it as a YouTube viewer. This link right here is a link to selling this product, this Recreate AI text video editor can be purchased by going to the link here. You can also, you're allowed to put links down in the description down here too. Description, these are back to my website. So building a YouTube channel and the work involved in that to create enough traffic to come here to sell products could be that too. If you pick, again, a concentrated niche, an area that you feel you can sell products from, that you have the ability to get the affiliate link and promote it, you could build a YouTube channel promoting just that product. Let's move on to the next one. We're going to talk about Pinterest next. Okay, number 4 in can I do affiliate marketing without a website will be Pinterest. You can set up your own Pinterest account, as I've done here, or whatever your interests are. Again, make sure you have a focus, a niche. The affiliates links that you have are in a detailed, focused, arrow-like direction that you can create a Pinterest account for that gets lots of people looking at it. Like here, picture frames on a wall. I mean, Pinterest is full of ideas. And just look at all the different things that you can look at in here. Whether it be artsy stuff where you be promoting stuff from Etsy or Amazon or whatever craft sites that you can get affiliate links for. There's tons of affiliate programs out there. Pinterest would be a very good place to build an account. You can use lots of pictures, and in the pictures you can promote. You can have a link in the picture to go to. See, this goes to my website here. And then once you get to your website, you can have a product on the page here like this. You can get a free copy and get the email address, promote a product, whatever. But you can direct them to there from Pinterest. So Pinterest is number 4 as we look at them. And let's move on into number 5, which is going to be using Google AdWords to create ads. Okay, so number 5 is to use Google Ads. And what we're going to do is we go into the Google AdWord keyword planner page, and then you set up, I do a search. I went into my website and I picked out a best-selling weather station, an AccuRite 01024M Pro weather station. Then I came back here, did a keyword search, came up with some groups, set up an ad group. I'm here now. I can make a bid on this. I can set up an ad, and I'll have to set up how much I want to spend on the ad and like that. But you can do that with an affiliate link. I have an affiliate link for this from AccuRite or from Amazon. I have affiliate links for both of them. And that's how you would set this up as number 5, use Google AdWords. And obviously, there's a lot of knowledge you'd have to learn. I'd probably go to YouTube and find some videos where people talk about how to set up your Google Ads. Make sure it's a new one because this has changed in the last 9, 10, 12 months. That's number 5. Let's move on into number 6 next. So the last one I'm going to talk to you about today is Twitter. You can go to Twitter. Like, here's a page I have created and branded for one of my websites. I can take anything here in my did a post on here. I can include an affiliate link in here. That's something to do. If you have a personal Twitter account or a branded account, you can use either one of them. You can go to Google. Can you use affiliate links on Twitter? And it says before anything else, Twitter does allow. And make sure you check the dates on it. And here's another article. There's a lot of articles in here about it. So it'll give you an idea what you can do or can't do. But Twitter will allow affiliate links. So that's the last idea we're going to talk about today, is setting up a Twitter account, getting a following, and then have it obviously be concentrated on a particular niche or area of concentration where you can put affiliate links that will promote a product. So that's our last one. Let's move into the summary for the video on can I do affiliate marketing without a website. So that's it for the 6 areas we went through. We went through the following list. We talked about creating a viral ebook. We talked about using medium.com to post content. We talked about building a YouTube channel, having a Pinterest account that we use, using advertising on Google AdWords. We talked about using Twitter for affiliate marketing. Now, my personal views on all 6 of these is that each one of these in itself is a lot of extra work. And I think if you look at some of the other videos that I've created using and building YouTube channels, and we have training down in the link as well, there's a good free source of training that will make it so you're not confused anymore and help you put all the pieces together in making money. That I think these 6 areas, if you were to individually take any one of them, would definitely work for you if you had a focus and a direction and a product and the interest. But I still think that each one of these is a lot of work. To build Twitter, let's say, to have the amount of traffic you need for it to work would be a lot of work. Google AdWords, again, wouldn't be work in time, but your expense would be financially. So if you had the money to invest in that, and Google AdWords, again, could be rather risky, kind of like what we talked about with solo ads. Your clicks and the bidding is all very temporarily, and it changes a lot, and you could end up spending a lot of money if you didn't know what you were doing. Each one of these areas, creating a viral ebook, I'm sure every one of these areas could work, but you're going to be involving a lot of time and having to learn a lot. And there'll be a large learning curve involved with each one of them. So just my thoughts on it. Again, we didn't go into detail on how to do each one of these in detail, but these are just 6 suggestions that if there's something here you want to run with, then there's a lot of places to get research. You can research YouTube for information, research Google. There's a lot of training out there available for each one of these individually. That's my view on that today. And we're talking about, can I do affiliate marketing without a website? The answer is yes, you can. But my feelings are it's a lot of work for each one of these to do these. And I think I will stick personally with what I'm doing right now, following the training that's down in the link, step-by-step training from Philip Barrowman. And that's would be my answer today, is to take advantage of that training. Click the link down in the description, get that free training, get access to it today, get yourself straightened out. With as far as being confused, the training will help you with that. So if you liked the video today, please give me a large thumbs up. That will make me smile and make YouTube smile as well that you liked my video. Please leave comments down below too if you have any comments. And just let me know which one of these 6 that you think you would like to have interest in doing and pursuing. And maybe I can help you and direct you in direction of getting proper training in any one of these 6 areas. But also, while you're at it, please subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate that. And thank you again for watching today. We appreciate it. And so long.